In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to OneDrive. Whether you're new to OneDrive or just need a refresher, we'll walk through this simple process together, step by step, ensuring clarity and ease. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by following the instructions on the Microsoft website. Once logged in, your account dashboard will be displayed where you can access a variety of Microsoft services. Now look for the Apps Launcher. It's usually represented by a grid or waffle icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on it to see a drop-down menu with several app options such as Outlook, Word, Excel, and of course OneDrive. Next, select OneDrive from the list. This will open your OneDrive interface, where all of your files and folders are stored in the cloud. From here, look for the My Files option on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking this will take you to view all your current files and folders. Now it's time to choose the folder where you want to upload your file. You can either select an existing folder or create a new one by clicking on the New option and selecting Folder. This step ensures your files are organized exactly where you need them to be. Once you've selected the appropriate folder, locate the Create and Upload icon, which looks like a cloud with an arrow pointing upward. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with a few different upload options. Choose Files Upload. This action prompts a file selector window to open, allowing you to browse the files on your computer. Navigate to the file you wish to upload. It could be anything from documents to images to videos. After selecting your desired file, click on the Open button in the File Selector window. Your file will begin uploading to OneDrive, and you should see it appear in the folder you selected earlier. Depending on the file size and your internet connection speed, the upload might take a few moments. Once the uploading process is complete, you'll see your file in the selected folder. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded a file to OneDrive. Remember, OneDrive is a powerful tool that allows you to access your files from anywhere so long as you have an internet connection. It's a great way to back up important documents and share files with others without the hassle of email attachments. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and guides. Until next time, happy up.